So a trigger warning with this video, something I've been meaning to say for a while. So if you're into these videos and you're reading the comments and you're into the childhood trauma stuff, the inner child stuff, the psych stuff, it's great, you know. But when you're reading someone else's comment and they're sharing about an abusive parent, and if you have a pull, really want you to take this in, to kind of go, generational trauma, what are you going to do? Or worse, if you have a pull to say, well, they probably did the best that they could with the tools they had at the time. Don't. You never know what the other person has gone through in their life. Here's the trigger warning. I've had clients who were burned with cigarettes in their toddlerhood. I've had clients that were sexually exploited in their teenage years. I've had clients that were massively unprotected. And I have clients that are still dealing with the addict parent or the cluster B parent who is very provocative and damaging with no insight. So I really want you to think about this. If that's the best that they could, what was their worst? And when you say those things, you're completely dismissing somebody else's history, and you might have to look at your own codependency.